Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. Here we are with another Tesla trade on April the 28th. It's 9:30. We just opened and we are getting right to it. We got a green candle to the downside. All right, so we are looking here at a call for the first candle. Now here we are 50 seconds into the first candle. And I bought a call. All right. Collateral, I put up $179. That's important. And as we begin to pay a little bit more attention to the percentages of our returns. So 179, I still have a stop loss, a mental stop loss of $30. All right. And as soon as we get in, boom, we move into the upside. Why did I pick that entry? I've typically noticed that with Tesla, sometimes that first candle, it will make a convincing move in one direction and then flip to the other side. And if you can pull your profit out fast enough, like here we go with 90 seconds into this first candle, this is probably a great time to take profit. Boom, good entry. We saw profit, took profit, and we were up $21 on the first candle. All right, and I got out of there. All right, I got out of there. There was a lot of time left for this move to the downside to happen. So I didn't want to hang out in there. So I'm starting to, it's other things to consider, like whether or not that's a wasted trade. If it would have made more sense to let it come all the way down and then get in at support. So here we go, closing the gap. So if you would have got in on if you would have put a put to the downside at that peak, you would have won. Here I am doing another call from that support area, although we did not close the gap. So that's something to keep in mind. But I've seen this pattern right here a few times where you got a tail bar, you have two tail bars kind of meeting face to face. And then it's normally a continuation into whichever direction that second tail bar is. So we got into a second trade, put up $215. We made $21 on the first one. And here we are already on our second trade, our second scalp within the first 3 minutes. 10 more seconds for this candle. Still got a $30 stop loss. We haven't closed the gap all the way though. We came down, but we did not close the gap. So here we are moving in the other direction again. All right. Stock Market Melody has joined us. All right. So now we got this. What color candle is this?
Green.
We got a green candle moving to the upside. All right. We're already up 5%, 6%. Another 6%.
We chilling.
Yeah. And now we're switching to the options chart to set a stop loss and take profit. So we got in at 215.
That was cool, right?
Yeah. 185 would be the stop loss. And then we will want to do at least a $60 take profit. Say take profit.
Take profit.
Yeah, we're setting to take profit. So we actually set the stop loss at $20, and I want to go in and adjust it because I want to give it more room to work. It's really not about the dollar amount as much as it's the location on the chart. Okay, so say trade with the chart.
Trade with the chart.
Yes, so we are learning to trade with the chart. Now look at this big red candle here. Now look at how that comes down to close that gap. It closes the gap on that candle, and then now boom, a nasty wick. Say nasty wick.
Nasty wick.
Yes, it's a nasty wick coming back, pushing us back into the green direction. So right now we down 17, but that's still not our stop loss. Our stop loss is at $30. Say stop loss at 30.
Stop loss at 30.
Yes. And we went ahead and confirmed that stop loss take profit. But again, I'm learning to manage my trade. Excuse me, no problem. I'm learning to manage my trade as we go. So I might have to make an adjustment. That might require me to make an adjustment on a stop loss or make an adjustment on a take profit. Okay, so we have to make adjustments. Say adjustments.
Adjustments.
Correct. Boom. And now here we are, up 36, up 43, up 44, plus the 21, up 47, up 50, 46, 48, 50. All right, when we hit that 50 mark, I'm like, okay, wait a minute now, 52, hold on. So I remember, you got to learn to be very efficient with the platform. So what I should have done is if I wanted to get out of here, it's pulling back now. That's a good point. We are waiting for a pullback. It did a slight pullback, and that's what we're trying to get out before a hectic pullback. So here we are, right? I tried to close it there, but I couldn't. So what I should have done was went back to the turbo options. Yes, really. I should have went back to turbo options. Say turbo options.
Turbo options.
I should have went back to the turbo options, canceled the take profit and the stop loss, and close the position. But it's fine. Here we went again with another pullback. You see that red pullback? And I came over here and I did it. So we got the pullback. We're going to go ahead and see that it didn't take out. It came down to about 50% of the move, but it didn't take out more than 50% of the move. So now we're moving back to the upside, and I went ahead and took profit. Another $41. Good entry. Saw profit, took profit, and we did not let the pullback scare us. Okay? Peace and love, and I hope you get rich. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Say peace and love.
Peace and love.